News barely 2 hours ago, a federal jury reaching a verdict in the bribery and corruption case against former city official and political power player Mitzi Bickers. It is a mix of guilty and not guilty verdicts for a dozen charges related to one of the biggest scandals in Atlanta City Hall history.
11 Alive's Joe Hankey has been at the federal courthouse all day. He has our report. Joe.
Well, Jeff, in the past 45 minutes, Mitzi Bickers, surrounded by friends and family, came out the rear exit here at the federal courthouse into the parking lot. Her attorney was by her side. He stopped and made a brief statement in reaction to today's verdict. We'll have part of that conversation with him coming up in just a minute. First, here's a look at the 12 charges Mitzi Bickers was facing. As mentioned, she was found guilty on a majority of these counts. She was found guilty on conspiracy to commit bribery, several counts of money laundering. She was also found guilty of 4 counts of wire fraud and 1 count of falsifying tax returns. For Bickers, a former city employee, this case focused on allegations she accepted over $2 million worth of bribes from contractors she conspired with through a cashier contract scheme. Here's Bickers leaving court in the green jacket on video here. While several other people were charged and some have pleaded guilty in connection with the City of Atlanta bribery scandal that dates back to the Kasim Reed administration, Bickers was the first to go to trial and face a jury. Bickers' attorney, Drew Finling, said one of those other defendants was referenced repeatedly in this trial by prosecutors, but not called as a witness, which he takes issue with.
This witness became somewhat testimonial during the entire trial, referenced probably hundreds of times in documents and actual testimony, and we did not have the benefit of cross-examining that person. It created a lot of difficulty, but obviously it is going to be an issue that will be aggressively pursued in an appeal to the 11th Circuit. That you can rest assured.
Bickers' attorney there, Drew Finley, saying we should expect an appeal. There are still 2 outstanding items from this trial here today, though, to be addressed. First, attorneys are dealing with forfeiture of any cash that Bickers illegally received. They hope to have that issue of forfeiting any of that cash by tomorrow morning. They should hopefully have that issue resolved. Also, sentencing that's set right now for July 12th. We expect Bickers to be back in court on July 12th for that hearing.